Good morning, friends. It's Jenn and Kanata, and it is Tuesday, January 7th. I just wanted to share what we're having. We're actually having breakfast today, which is a rarity in my family, as my husband wanted some Egg McMuffins. So I made some with what we have on hand. I used some eggs, I used some bacon bits that I had in my fridge, some cheese, and English muffins. I'll show you what we got. So there we have it. I just did these in little bowls. I put a little bit of margarine or oil or whatever in the bowl, and then I scrambled in the bowl an egg with a little bit of milk or cream and threw some bacon bits, toasted English muffins, put a piece of cheese. I just split it in half, and then it should fall out. If not, use my knife to help it a little bit. Which is hard to do with my left hand. And then just flip it over. It's a perfect little Egg McMuffin. Let's see if this one comes out on its own. Nope, that one needs a little bit of encouragement as well. Which is really hard to do without holding the bowl. There. To lift it up and just toss it down. It's very hot. And there we have it. English muffin. Better than McDonald's. Healthier. And cheaper. And also look at the pastry section. 30% off. As well as I got some sushi for my husband for lunch because he's home today. 30% off. Spicy salmon. They're on sale. Salmon rolls. So here is what we're having for supper tonight. We're going to be having dumplings. These ones I just picked up from the grocery store at my grocery haul to go with this bag of pot stickers. They're already pre-cooked. There's like a quarter of a bag here. There's some rice dumpling packages, some spring rolls, and some shrimp dumplings. These are all things that I had in my fridge and freezer to use up from Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve appetizer night. So we're going to have this up. I was going to do a rice bowl as well, but I think we have enough dumplings to have this as a whole meal. If all else fails, if we need to have more vegetables, because there are vegetables in the dumplings, there's meat and vegetable. I have an Asian salad, coleslaw type mix to go with this if we need it. But right now, I think that's a lot of food. So here is the leftovers from supper. So that's my daughter's leftover sushi from lunch that she didn't finish, so she's going to have that tomorrow for her lunch. And then there's still leftover spring rolls and some dumplings. I did not do one package of the pork soupy buns, the fried pork buns. I didn't do that either. And there's still about a handful of those pork wontons, but 2 handfuls in the bag because I just didn't have any more room in my pan to do them. So, good thing I didn't do them. But we have enough for a lunch tomorrow, or if people want it with supper tomorrow. So there's still lots of leftovers. And that is what we had for January 7th to eat, and the leftovers that I've managed to put away. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye, friends.